What skills are required for a logistics analyst? To succeed as a logistics analyst, you must have a combination of technical and soft skills. Here are some critical skills that are essential for this role. Data analysis. As a logistics analyst, you will work with large amounts of data from various sources. You should have strong analytical skills and be able to use tools like Excel, Tableau, or SQL to extract insights and make data-driven decisions. Supply chain knowledge. A thorough understanding of supply chain management processes, such as inventory control, transportation, and warehousing, is crucial for a logistics analyst. This will help you identify areas for improvement and optimize operations. Communication skills. You will work with cross-functional teams, including suppliers, manufacturers, and distributors. Good communication skills are essential to collaborate and ensure smooth operations effectively. Time management. With multiple projects, tight deadlines, and changing priorities, a logistics analyst needs to manage their time efficiently and prioritize tasks effectively. Problem solving. As mentioned earlier, logistics analysts face complex challenges that require critical thinking and problem-solving skills. You should be able to analyze data and identify bottlenecks to develop effective solutions. Attention to detail. Even the slightest error can significantly impact operations. Thus, logistics analysts must pay close attention to detail and ensure accuracy in their work. Do you want to level up your transportation business? Watch on to learn more about a tool that can help transform and level up your business operations. Affiliate disclaimer. Frate Chain is supported by our viewers. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps keep our website and all its content. Thank you. Learn more. Are you ready to revolutionize your transportation business and leave your competitors in the dust? Let's introduce you to Motive, a game changer in the industry. Forget about the time-consuming tracking and paperwork. It's time to embrace the future of driving. Motive's intuitive interface transforms your daily commute into an effortless journey. Say goodbye to the era of bulky paperwork and embrace the convenience of seamless inspection reports. But that's not all. Motive is your secret weapon to stay ahead. Stay updated with live road and traffic information. And never worry about unforeseen traffic jams or roadblocks again. Motive is more than just a tool. It's your reliable road ally. Check out the link in the description for more info about Motive.